And the race is on. Gold B fast to begin, followed by Daman Surya. Wilkowski is racing in third alongside Double Up, American Ruler, and Profit Sharing is the early trailer. Daman Surya, Gold B, Wilkowski in the middle. Double Up racing in fourth alongside by the rally's American Ruler. Profit Sharing still running at the tail of the field. Daman Surya by about 2 lengths, followed by Gold B alongside in between runners. Double Up by the rally's Wilkowski, American Ruler. Entering the far turn, Daman Surya by about 2 lengths. Wilkowski, Double Up. Gold B is racing on the outside. Daman Surya followed now by Gold B, Wilkowski by the rail, and Double Up as they race the final corner. Daman Surya by Hapaland, followed by Wilkowski. Gold B is racing over the outside. Last 200 meters more to run. Daman Surya followed by Wilkowski on the outside. Daman Surya, Wilkowski on the outside, but still Daman Surya, Wilkowski, and finally Ahi Tansyoko on Daman Surya. Wilkowski, Gold B, American Ruler, Profit Sharing, and Double Up.
236 ang ating